is Michael Bailey and welcome to my course Maintaining Code Quality with TeamCity. I'm a software consultant at InfoJolt and I've been using TeamCity for over a decade. TeamCity provides powerful continuous integration, allowing you to efficiently work as a team. In this course, we're going to learn how TeamCity can be used to ensure a codebase is free from defects and conforming to coding standards. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover include configuring TeamCity to run unit tests, efficiently investigating and fixing failing tests, enforcing suitable unit test coverage, and tracking code quality violations with static code analysis. By the end of this course, you'll know how to make use of TeamCity build steps to ensure high quality code is being written across your team. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of TeamCity. The first module will give a brief overview of fundamental terms and concepts, but we'll skip over installation steps. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn what you can achieve using TeamCity with the Maintaining Code Quality with TeamCity course at Pluralsight.